Hi, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap, and I want to invite you to join me for another fun workshop. This one's the 5x7 Card Caddy, and it's offered at the Volume event on February 17 and 18. Let's take a look at the project we'll make together. This is the Card Caddy itself, and you can see that it has three unique compartments, and each has its own little label. And the unit sits on a nice, firm, sturdy piece of wrapped bookboard. It has these cute little wooden feet on the bottom. And it's got plenty of room for 5x7 cards. In fact, with this project, we'll even make a set of 8 5x7 cards to get you started with your collection and your different category options. So in the kit, you will receive a basic set of components that include the black papers, 5 of them, to make the actual Card Caddy compartments, the bookboard that you'll use to wrap and create the base, a set of 8 5x7 envelopes, a set of optional labels, a foam brush, and then the 6 wood feet. In addition to that, you'll receive an entire mariachi card kit, and that too includes another 12 envelopes that would have been the cards you'd make with this collection, but we're going to follow a different set of assembly instructions to transform everything in this bag into the caddy and all the cards that go inside, and then everything we need to decorate the caddy as well, both the front and the back side of the unit. So this is going to be a really fun class. And of course, as always, you will receive a very detailed copy of the workshop instructions, along with a lot of helpful tips. And then during our time together, I will take you through the project step by step. I hope to see you in class on the 17th and 18th of February at the Volume event. Thanks for joining me.